everybody, I'm so excited to share with you my latest purchase from Dior. So this is the box with a boat with Dior. So this is the shoes. As you can see, this is a Slingback pumps in a pattern calfskin leather in a black color, and the heel is 10 centimeters and the size is 35.5. And here is all the numbers, reference numbers. So when you open the box, this is a little care card, 2 dust bags, and here is the shoes. So it's a brand new shoes. I just got them yesterday. I've been wanting the shoes for a little while and they just don't have them in stock. So now they available in limited amount in US. Here is this Christian Dior Paris. On the back is the star. This is Dior, made in Italy. Let's see the second one. So I tried them already yesterday and they seems very comfortable. You would not even tell that they're like 10 centimeters. But I cannot actually tell you like how it's gonna be like once you wear it for a little while. But hopefully it's still very comfortable. I will probably make a review of wear and tear on these shoes in a little bit once I get to wear them. It's a very classic, very elegant, and so pretty. Yeah, so if you have any questions, here is this number, or as you can see, it's 0119. So they made in 2019, basically last month. I didn't see so many reviews online, so that's why I decided to just do the unboxing, quick unboxing and a quick review for these shoes. I also gonna do some more videos about other shoes from my collection. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please let me know if you have any questions down below. I also will put the link where you can purchase the shoes right now. Usually in US, I don't think they're available like on the Dior website, so you actually have to find the shoes, find the store, call them up and order them over the phone, and they're gonna send you the shoes. So this one is right now, I believe in US it's $890 plus tax. This is how much I paid. I'm not sure how much it's gonna be in your area, but yeah, this is information what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.